everyone, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video we are going to be diving into a 3 looks 1 palette using the new Kat Von D Lolita palette. Many years ago, this used to be my favorite liquid lipstick. This is in the shade Lolita. I recently repurchased it alongside of the eyeshadow palette. When Kat Von D came out with her liquid lipstick formula, it was everything. And I remember one of the most popular shades was the shade Lolita. And it is so cool that years later, we have an entire palette dedicated to this one shade. Really quickly, what it is a highly anticipated eyeshadow palette featuring 8 velvety matte shades inspired by Kat's legendary lipstick. This palette only has 8 rosy matte shades. Only 8 eyeshadows, and it retails for $39. That's really expensive actually for only 8 eyeshadows. So that is what the back looks like, as you can see right there. It kind of reminds me of everything that's been coming out lately, like the new nude palettes. They're all going for this mauve shade. But anyway, let's jump right into it. And this is the artwork for the palette. And that is what it looks like in the iconic mirror like from Kat. This is a very tiny eyeshadow palette compared to the recent ones that I've been testing out, but the actual eyeshadows are pretty big. What if we just do like a very light pink eyeshadow look today? I'm gonna take a big round blending brush and I'm gonna dip into the shade right here called Hermosura. All the shade names are in Spanish, which is so cute and so cool. And I'm just gonna put this all over my eyelids, leaving the inner corner blank though. I expected this to be a little lighter than it actually is. Okay, this eyeshadow actually feels really dry. Okay, it's giving me a hard time to blend this out, but we're getting there. It's just taking a little longer than usual. Now we're gonna pop Lolita. Whoa, that's just... I don't know if you guys saw that. I barely went like that and it scraped so much off. Created a little puddle right there. Do you guys see that on Lolita? I almost ruined the entire shadow. Ooh, whoa. This is a really pretty shade. That gave me a lot of fallout. I'm not doing that much talking because this shade is actually really pigmented and I really want to concentrate and not mess this up. I'm actually gonna go in with Promesa right here as my highlight already so I can start blending that into the crease. I'm also gonna put that in the inner corner. Ooh, this is such a pretty light purpley shade. Really goes well with the eyes right now. On that same brush, I'm gonna mix a little bit of Lolita and Hermosura, and I'm gonna blend that in my bottom lash line. Oh my gosh, this is really pigmented. I'm gonna dab some off on the back of my hand. Now I'm gonna put Besitos right on my lid. Besitos and Promesa are really similar to each other. Now I'm gonna do my eyelashes off camera and I'll be right back. Now I'm gonna apply Lolita to my lips. This is such a beautiful liquid lipstick shade. I actually forgot how much I used to love this. Paired with this eye, it just looks very sophisticated. Oh my gosh. I'm ready to go out for the night because it is Friday night. Aside from Hermosura right here being patchy, this is a really good, easy, quick matte look. Lolita is obviously gorgeous in my crease, and Besitos is showing up so true to color as it shows up actually on the pan. Promesa, which is what I used for my highlight shade, is a really pretty lilac color, and Besitos is just a deeper shade than Promesa. Now let's move on to look number 2. For my second look, I wasn't planning to do something like this. I wanted to see if the actual shade that is in this palette called Lolita could hold up its own weight. And I think it totally can. Look how pretty and smoked out. I just felt like I needed to test out the one shade that this entire palette was inspired of. I think it looks great. I think it looks really pretty. And yeah, this shade is so easy to blend. My only thing is that I feel like I'm gonna go through it so quick because you barely tap it and it like creates a pool down here. It's very, very pigmented, so you have to be very careful, but not careful as in the fact that you're gonna put too much on, because I find that no matter how much I do put on, it blends out beautifully. That shade is amazing. So now let's move on to the third and final look. Alright you guys, this is the third and final look of the 3 Looks 1 palette using the Kat Von D Lolita palette, and I think this is a hard pass. You get 8 matte eyeshadows, to which the darker purples, which are 3, do not like to blend. I spent so much time blending this eye look out and I still don't fully like it. It looks great, it looks awesome, because I spent so much time really trying. They're just hard to blend. Happens with purples. Promesa, Besitos, Hermosura, Con Amor, and Lolita are great bomb eyeshadows. Why I think this is such a hard pass is because you only get 8 eyeshadows for $39 and 3 of them don't blend out. This as a highlight shade for any purple look, awesome, beautiful. Although if I wasn't reviewing this palette, I would have totally added some purple glitter, at least to like, you know, at the cut of the crease. But I don't like to do that in my 3 Looks 1 palette because glitter and lashes are known to hide imperfections, and I want to show you the real tea. I want to show you exactly what it is that I mean. I don't want to cover up anything. I want to share with you every single detail of this palette and how it looks on its own. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up. Leave in the comment section down below which other palettes you want me to review next. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later.